Song right here is called Broken Promises. It's pretty much a song for anybody who's ever loved somebody just a little too much. We promised each other forever. You promised to love me till the day I die. So whatever happened to this life to make you wanna leave my side? You held on to my hands and you told me that I was the one you couldn't live without. But now I see you thinking of another man, thinking of another plan. No explanations, just a bunch of broken promises. Day so clearly, you told me you love me, but I'm crazy. Can't take this, we're wasting a lot of time, cause our lives ain't the same. Well, I looked into your ice cold blue eyes and seen the reflection of myself die. Now I know you're thinking of another man, thinking of another plan. No explanations, a bunch of broken promises. Never been so lost without you, and love is evil and we're living proof. You're heartless and I'm blinded. You keep running and I'll keep on trying. I'm doing all I can to try and understand you. So tell me what it is I'm supposed to do to keep you from leaving with another man, sleeping in another bed. No explanations, just a bunch of broken promises. Well, I know I'm a little bit fucked up, but there's no way he can give you as much love. I'm carving your name with the razor blades in my skin, and I can tell you all the promises you broke out. And oh,